I think workshops on music and sound and songwriting, which is something I do a lot, are really useful at this particular time because they give us another way of exploring our world and how different it is and how it's changed. Songwriting is something that people generally have an idea about, have an instinctive knowledge of because they've listened to so much music. So it doesn't take a lot of technical background, but it's a great way and traditionally has been used as a way to take things from the inside and put them on the outside in some creative way and then share them with other people. And what ends up happening is people realize that we're all kind of struggling in similar ways. The other thing about songwriting and why it's one of my favorite things to do and do in any kind of workshop is that it's a lot of fun. Being creative in that way with music is really rewarding.